Welcome to our portable washing machine face-off. Today we're comparing two exciting options for those living in small spaces. The DFJKJUU portable washing machine and the Elevon portable washing machines. Both are designed to make laundry easier in apartments, dorms, and RVs, but they have unique features that set them apart. Let's dive in and see which one might be the best fit for you. The DFJKJUU portable washing machine features a foldable design that makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for small living spaces. In contrast, the Elevon portable washing machine boasts a twin tub design, allowing for separate washing and spinning cycles, which can save you time during laundry day. While the DFJKJUU is ideal for those who prioritize portability, the Elevon offers a more traditional washing experience with its dual compartments. When it comes to capacity, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine has a 16L capacity, making it suitable for small loads like baby clothes and delicates. On the other hand, the Elevon portable washing machine offers an 18 pounds wash capacity and a 10 pounds spin capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads at once. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you have a lot of items to clean. The DFJKJUU portable washing machine comes with 3 cleaning modes, allowing you to customize your wash based on the type of items you're cleaning. Additionally, it features a removable spin-dry basket for added convenience. In contrast, the Elevon portable washing machine includes a built-in drain pump, making it easier to remove water after washing. Each machine has its unique features that cater to different user preferences. In conclusion, both the DFJKJUU and Elevon portable washing machines offer unique advantages for those in need of a compact laundry solution. The DFJKJUU is perfect for those who prioritize portability and ease of storage, while the Elevon provides a more traditional washing experience with its twin tub design and larger capacity. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.